Hi guys, and what's up, and welcome back to another episode of Bakkerud Live. First and foremost, a big thank you for everyone commenting the previous video. It's cool to see the enthusiasm is still there for Rallycross. Loads of things have happened in the last few weeks. One major thing is that we have moved Bergen Motorsport Evolution into Bergen Lift Service building here in Bergen. I'm going to show you guys the location and the setup. I'm pretty happy with it. So since last week, loads of stuff have happened in the background. Holton Motorsport have disassembled the car, painted it, put it back together, and we actually picked it up. So we have taken the car from this to this to now this. We went with silver due to its easiness of maintaining throughout the whole year. Silver is easier to keep clean, and you won't see the mud and shit so easily. Also, they put the car together on a trailer and they came and meet us at the ferry between Haugesund and Bergen. Here's from when we picked it up. Today we are reaching a milestone with the Ford Puma build. We're picking up the car for the first time from Holton Motorsport, MCE in Etne. The father of Daniel, Sven Bjarte, brought the car to the ferry. Awesome to see the first kind of glimpse of the car. Looks pretty rad. I love the silver paint we have had inside the car. It looks cool. I can't There's been so many hours spent by the Holton Motorsport family, especially Daniel and MCE back at the factory in Etne. And now to be standing here and seeing the car for the first time in forever with paint, that's gives me goosebumps. Not only that, but there's been so much work outside the car build to get BME or Bergen Motorsport Evolution running with sponsors and with planning with trailers and everything. So yeah, big evening. It's close to midnight, so we have a long trip to go still tonight, but we're here. And so now we're here at the home of Bergen Motorsport Evolution. We got the sign up there from Informative, Bergen Lift Service, mounted a Ford logo there. We aren't paid by Ford, by the way, so it's not a sponsored sign, but it's cool to have here. The car is on the lift, the Ford Puma. We're gonna dive deeper into the car and the car build itself in a later episode of Bakkerud Live. But like I said, it's been so many hours and it's been a lot of work to even get here. We started with a screwdriver, a hammer and a drill. So all of a sudden we have our own unit and a place to be. There's plenty of people that's been helping me behind the scenes. And I can't wait to kind of bring you guys toward us and show everyone that's involved. Last Thursday we had an event with 30 people, investors, board members and mechanics. And that went really well. Everyone had a good time. And yeah, I'm just really pumped on this whole program. I think it's awesome. It's my first time being a part of building a car myself with the team that I'm a part of. Normally I've only arrived and drive, bring your helmet, get into the car, look at the seat, we need to adjust the seat and then go racing. All of a sudden I'm here involved in the full process. I'm not working too much on the car, but I'm helping out wherever I can. We're gonna keep Bakkerud Live rolling. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of Bakkerud Live. Want to say a big thank you to Holton Motorsport, MC, everyone at Atne and Vikeral for building the car. It looks absolutely great and awesome. I think the silver does it duty well, and I can't wait for the future of the project. So yeah, we stay in touch every week now. Bakkerud Live. Until next time, flat out.